Hey Jemmy, thank you so much for today, lad. I feel incredibly the release after seeing you in my muscles, especially my lower back and neck, is incredible. I've not felt this good in a long time. Thank you.
Shock. You okay? You didn't surprise, you didn't expect, no?
No.
Okay, yeah. How you're 4 years ago, you didn't do the same, no? It's a different. Stay, I know. Shock. I know because you have the problem with the accident, you know? You will forget. Breathe in, breathe out. One more? It's okay, relax, just want to see that, okay. At least you're looking, flexibility are fine. That's it. Breathe in, breathe out. Don't worry.
I spend lots of time on
Yeah, that's it, you can see that. Yeah. No problem. Stay where you are. One more. Stay here. Oh yeah. Na, 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 na. Nice one. You okay? Breathe in. Breathe out. That's a stretch. Oh, yes. Stay 2 minutes now, rest. You felt the rest, because the blood now, his blood is circling everywhere and he feels like a high fever. That's normal, don't worry. I will work with shoulders after. Everything will fine, feet are fine. Nice, one more shot on the feet, I love it. Feet are the best. If your feet are fine, your head is fine.
Yeah.
Nice one. Shoulder. Hold that please. Nice one. Max close. Oh yeah. He's looking for that for a long time. Yeah. Oh yeah. Nice. Perfect. Rest. Let me see who's watching me. Who's watching us? 67 people. Thank you guys. Keep everything. Nice.
I honestly feel so loose.
So loose, yeah? Your body, it's amazing flexibility, man.
Yeah.
It's, you're very, very lucky, look. Very, some people are very, I can't do that, I'm trying, man. You can, this one here can go there. Look, I can't do that, it's different. I know, I'm stressing and wow. I wish it had that flexibility.
I couldn't have done this before, like, I couldn't stretch like that.
Yeah, but at least you have it, I see, now, of course, because it's all stretched now.
Yeah.
No, that's very good. Wow. That's I'm very surprised. The maximum I can go here with straight legs, If I can cut it, I feel straight. That's very good. What do you think for the new experience?
Incredible.
One more shot. Come here. Face that way, please. Put your hands in the cheek. Or yeah, that's perfect. Nice. Oh, nothing else. Nothing. Everything else. Yeah. Sometimes can be, but everything.